Welcome! Today I'm showing you how to lock SIM card with SIM pin into a Nokia G50 5G. First of all, open your settings and scroll down and find security options, this one. Then on the bottom we got advanced, so click and go into a SIM card lock. And click here to turn on this option, lock SIM card, so click it. And for blocking with pin, you need to enter your pin. So, for example, 1, 2, 3, 4, and click OK. And that's it. Now we blocked our SIM card with SIM pin. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.